Whenever you watch bodybuilding food videos or weight gain food videos on YouTube, they always recommend that eating bananas will help you gain weight or build your body. They tell you to eat eggs, meat, fish, and chicken. Many people benefit from these foods, but many people don't see any results. So today, I will tell you 5 such foods that are loaded with micronutrients. And what are micronutrients? These are things that help build the foundation of our body. When the foundation becomes strong, then eating chicken, eggs, bananas, and all these foods actually start showing results. They help a lot in muscle gain and weight gain. Let's not waste time and directly come to the food. The first one is quinoa. Quinoa is a food that helps increase your muscle mass. You can easily eat quinoa. It contains a high amount of iron and high protein. And when it comes to protein, muscle gain is guaranteed. It will also help you in weight gain. You can find quinoa easily in any shop. If you eat it in breakfast, your muscle mass will increase quickly. The second food is roasted gram, bhuna chana. You can find roasted gram easily anywhere. It contains a good amount of protein, but you should not eat roasted gram directly. Let me tell you how to eat it. If you grind roasted gram, it becomes sattu. You can also buy ready-made sattu from the market. It contains high-value protein and good fibers. When protein is high, muscle mass increases. When fiber is high, your digestion improves. Both benefits come from sattu, which is made from roasted gram. So it's very beneficial in terms of protein. Eat it in breakfast. I told you about 2 foods, quinoa and roasted gram, sattu. If you want to eat both, you can eat quinoa one day and sattu the next day for breakfast. Your weight will increase quickly and your muscle mass will grow faster. Next food is cornflakes, raw flakes. I'm not talking about the packed branded cornflakes with chemicals. You should buy the loose raw cornflakes from a shop. They are cheaper and contain high-quality nutrients without chemicals. If you eat these raw cornflakes daily with milk and a little sugar, your growth will improve. Your bones will grow better. Your height can increase, and your weight and body mass will also increase. Next food is sweet potato. If you want to increase muscle mass, then 45 minutes before your workout, eat sweet potato. It gives you a lot of energy for your workout. Only when you have proper energy can you train harder and build muscle. Sweet potato contains high-quality carbohydrates, which also help in weight gain. So anyone who wants to gain weight or muscle mass should definitely eat sweet potato. Next food is kidney beans, Rajma. Rajma contains high protein, good carbs, good fiber, and iron. I always say that we should eat foods that provide multiple nutrients. If a food contains only protein or only carbs, it won't help much. But foods that give protein, carbs, fats, vitamins, minerals, all in one, are the most beneficial for muscle gain and weight gain. How to eat Rajma? You can cook it normally like a curry, or you can soak it overnight. Drain the water in the morning, then lightly roast or boil it and eat it with a little salt. This gives you instant protein, which your body needs after a workout. When should you eat Rajma? After your workout. Before workout, I told you to eat sweet potato 45 minutes earlier, or 2 bananas. And after workout, within 30 minutes, eat the cooked or boiled Rajma I explained. It will give you instant protein, help you recover faster, and support muscle gain and weight gain. Lastly, I want to add one more food, soybean. Taking high protein is very important when you work out. Soybean gives you high protein. Whether you take soybean chunks or whole soybean, both work. I've told in many videos that soybean gives high protein, but you must remember not to eat more than 100 grams of soybean per day. Eating too much soybean won't give you benefits. If you eat less, within 100 grams daily, your protein requirement will be fulfilled. It will help you in muscle gain and weight gain. In this video, I told you that bananas also give benefits. If you eat 2 bananas daily, you get many advantages. If you want to know what benefits you get from eating 2 bananas daily, then click on the video showing on the screen. You will know how many powerful benefits bananas provide.